How to control who can comment on your tweets post. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can control who can comment on your tweets post. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, launch the Tweets application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in now, let's get ahead by creating a tweet post. To create a tweet post, tap on the plus icon from the bottom of this interface and you can either create post by uploading a picture or typing a message. Once you're done now, if you want to control who can comment on this post, just above your keyboard or just at the bottom of this interface, there is an option that says your followers can reply in quote. Tap on it. Now, from here, you can choose who you want to allow to comment on your tweet post. It says your followers, profile you follow, or mentioned only. So according to your preferences, choose one and then tap on post. So once you are done with that, the account that you have chosen recently will only be able to reply or comment on your tweet post, and that's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.